Why do I smell like pee? Benny, 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 why do you smell like pee, huh? You don't know? Benny, why are you so cute?
Pee puddles everywhere.
You don't care if you smell like pee-pee? Get his hands. Get his hands. Back up. Back up. Benny, tell us, do you care if you smell like pee? No. Not even a little? Mm-mm. You just love your life? Yeah. Because they rub my neck. Look, put it on his face. Not in his face, on his face. There, Benny, Benny, Benny. Why do you smell like pee? I smell like pee. I smell like pee. Oh, my hands smell like pee too. Puddles of pee. I don't know whose pee it is. I don't know if it's my pee or Gabriel's pee on the bathroom. Oh, yeah. 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 Oh, that feels good. Behind my ears. Oh, yeah. Yep. 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 Oh.
All I want to do is zoom.
What are you doing? Why are you zooming in on him? That's weird. How do I zoom out? Dumb baby. Benny. Who's Gabe? We're doing a therapy session. He's talking about how he feels.
Pee puddles. There's pee puddles
Stop.
everywhere. I don't know who they are.
Benny, how old are you?
3 months old.
Benny. You know your name? Benny. Who is it? Who is it? Who is it? You don't know? You don't care? Oh, Benny.
The only thing I know how to do is dance.
Just dance. It's gonna be okay. Stop. You're gonna break his little arms. He likes the attention.
Snap it.
He's like, hey, man. Chill. Be cool, Gabriel. Be cool.
Slap me.
Psh.
Ow.
So it's Friday night. There I was, right? Butt naked in the forest with a bucket of hot sauce. Are you listening to my story? He's getting mad. Benny, you got some crazy stories.
Pee puddles.
Stop. Leave his arms alone.
Just dance.
Benny, are you going to lay on your back all day?
Yes.
Move your hands.
Don't touch me.
Move your hands, Gabe. Benny, don't touch him. Let's see how long till he moves. This belly, though. He's like, keep touching me. Come on. Rub my belly. Oh, dear baby. Move your head. Oh, Benny don't want to move. You don't want to move. Ew, my watched hand looks gross.
He's biting my nose.
Don't let him.
Why?
Because it hurts. I know.
For the views.
Let him abuse you for the views. Oh. Watch. Let him copy me. Oh, my baby. Oh, it's so cute. Are you cute, Benny? Benny, are you cute?
Yes.
Are you cute? You little jerk. Are you cute?
Yes.
Oh, shit. Benny.
Ow.
Benny.
What? Oh my gosh, take
Are
that
you
light off.
Are you part reindeer?
Maybe not.
Leave him.
I just like laying around and this cover's so nice. Wait.
He's stinky though. Get him off the bed. He knows it.
like
Benny, get off my bed now.
I like it here.
Benny, get off my bed. before I punch you in the throat.
This is just the beginning.
Benny.
I'm gonna stay.
Benny!
What?
Get off my bed.
Never. I'm gonna stay here.
Okay, then let's... What was that?
Meow.
What was that, Benny?
I don't know.
Whoa. Benny, what was that?
I don't know. Benny. What was it? I'm blinded by the light. The light.
No, he's not. He's not blind. Are you?
The light though.
He's like, watch me scratch. I'm cute even when I scratch. Gah.
Oh, that's so bad.
He's like, camera on me. Let me lay back. Let me lay back down. Catch me at my good angle. There we go.
Yeah, there we go. I'm so cute. Oh yeah, I'm so cute. Benny's so cute. Benny's so cute.
Let me eat my foot a little bit.
I got some leftover food in there, so just let me do my thing.
Ah, sick.
What?